I would say that he had a fairly long innings. He's left a momentous and very towering legacy in Nigeria. And I'm sure his death will be mourned not only by his family and friends and associates in Nigeria, but also by his many friends and collaborators in Africa and well beyond Africa. My own family joins me in saying adieu to my dear friend Ben, a great Nigerian patriot who served his country and humanity with uncommon dedication and commitment. And I pray may his soul rest in perfect